Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I am happy today. It wasn't, a big green day, but there's other things that's happening that made me happy, very happy. I'll just break in the middle of that between stocks and crypto. Okay, so we had a lot going on today, but my focus today was on Nvidia. Nvidia was my focus today, and I did some crypto buying. And the crypto buying that I did actually gave me a little $900 pop for the day. That's good when crypto was still kind of red. And so I started buying some cryptos. I let people know in Money Moves the ones that I bought. I'm going to share a few of them with you that I just bought on this dip. That's all, a little dip buying. Let's get right into it. The S&P 500 closed higher for the fourth day. Dow jumps more than 250 points. That's what's going on today. The Nasdaq, it didn't do so much. So here's what I was looking at today. Nvidia stock rises. Core Weave results are good news after all. Okay. But Nvidia, as you could see, Nvidia is flat for today. But we made some money today in Money Moves. I was preparing another lesson for Options for Dummies. Come join us by selecting the top link. And I was going to use this as training and wound up making some good money today on it. All right. So Trump New Deal could create 500,000 reasons to buy Nvidia stock this year. Okay. Nvidia shares are in focus this morning following reports the U.S. has reached a preliminary deal with the which will enable the UAE. The UAE stands for the United Arab Emirates, okay, to import 500,000, a half a million of its latest AI chips per year, okay? And that's big with Nvidia. A lot of analysts were saying Nvidia's done just like they did with Apple. They're still doing that to Apple, and Apple's done. Apple's not done. Apple's going to come back, and they're going to do some AI things. They said the same thing about Tesla. Tesla's done. Tesla's not done. My Tesla stock is up. How about yours? And so we got to be careful not to get too bearish too quick. We don't want that, right? So today's indices, we could see mostly green, but the NASDAQ couldn't inch it out at the close, right? So I just want to go through a few things and I want to show you guys what I did. So here's one of the Nvidia plays that I had left over. Okay, I actually had 22 contracts, and this is what we did today with Nvidia. All right, and I'm teaching you guys how to do this, right? How to do it. So you can see here at some point I had 22 contracts. That's before it went up 56%. So now here I'm just showing you where it was at 24%. Even though at opening bell, Nvidia was trending down. See here? Nvidia was trending down on opening bell, but I was looking at the news and without even pulling up, charting, real technical charting, I could see that it was finding what? Support here, right? And I decided to go against the flow, which is dangerous. Okay, but I decided to go against the flow. What I didn't do is just pile in, right? So I just dollar cost average my way down. I've done that a lot with options and it has worked for me, right? And so I'm showing my followers and Money Moves how to do it and, called it out. I says, hey, while I'm teaching you guys, I'll just call this play out. Now, I haven't been focused on a lot of option plays because I've been focusing on education and I don't mind slowing down and to help bring people along with me. That's what I'm about. So come and join us. That's going to be Money Moves Options for Dummies, right? So There is something else that I want to share with you guys right now before we touch on crypto, and I'm going to just get right to the point. Listen, good people, look at this.
He can stop. Sometimes a day you can stop.
They know more about this than I do.
That was my dad on yesterday ringing the bell for his last chemo treatment. All glory be to God. All praises be to God. Thank you guys for all of your wonderful prayers. So it was an emotional day. Love my dad. And here are the wonderful nurses. God bless all of the wonderful nurses and all of you guys that do what you do. It was very trying for the family. Of course, he's lost a ton of weight. He's lost his hair. And it's just been a battle at his age going through chemo. So I thank each and every one of you guys for all of your prayers. Prayer changes things. Prayer does work. All right, let's get to some crypto. Had to put that in the middle. All right, so here's also what I did today. So I bought a little, I bought some XRP. I think I called it out in Money Moves. So today was a day you could have bought anything. Let's just show you, right? On the 12th, right, 5/12, you could see that we were really just revisiting the lows of the 12th. Okay, that's all we were doing. Boom, boom. So what did I do? I didn't do anything technical. I didn't, strike a lot of lines and all of that. I simply bought a little more. I doubled down on my dollar cost average. So whatever my dollar cost average price was, I doubled down on it. And you can go to Solana. Solana was another one that I bought. You could see on the 12th, you could see, look at that, boom. And then what? It revisited this almost the same price. Look at this, good people, right? Look at that. So what is that? 167. And then what happened? We come right back. Look at that. 169, 167. Look, we basically came right back. Remember, this is the 12th. Boom, right? And then the same thing with Ondo. I put Ondo on the list. I know Ondo was on the list. We can see the 12th right there again. Look at that, 97 cents. And then this time Ondo came beneath, and then where did we end? 98 cents. So it was good. It was a good day to buy for me, and not just buy my regular dollar cost average, but when I see things like that where you see where resistance is, where support is, I just double down on my dollar cost average. Okay, good people? So that's all I wanted to say on today, man. I just wanted to say that we are making money with Nvidia. Now, if Nvidia's news, let's go back to that right quick, because I don't want to just come on. I really just wanted to come on and say thank you, but I still want to point you guys to the money. Every now and then there's one person that says, okay, so you didn't tell us anything. If you look at what I just showed you with crypto, if you look at what I just showed you with Nvidia, there's money to be made. The deal is not done yet. So just focus in on where you think it's going to go, right? So let's just look at this, good people, because most of you guys get it. You guys are making money, but you got stragglers, okay? So the question is it priced in? And it may look like it's priced in here, but I think not. So remember when I was showing you the 12th? Well, here we are at the 12th. So Nvidia was actually going up before the decision, right? And there's no decision made yet. I do believe there will be a decision made, and I think whatever it is, it'll be positive for Nvidia. That's what I think. And that's where I'm putting my money. Do I know a deal is going to be made? I'm not over there. I'm not over there in the Middle East with the president. I'm not sitting at the table, but I believe a deal will be made. So that's why I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Let me know what you think about this deal. Will it be a deal? And secondly, will it cause Nvidia to rise, okay? But you guys could see that I made a deal, and I kept one share, one contract, right? So just to see what is going to happen, I kept one contract to see, boom, what's going to happen, right? And will it go, right? And if not, if that contract goes to zero, I had 21 other contracts, so I'm out. Good profit for the day. And that's all I wanted to say, good people. So sorry if I'm a little, subdued. But yeah, it was an emotional day yesterday, and then my daughter came over today. Just a lot of things happening. And to be honest with you, these allergies is kicking your boy's butt. I've been trying it all. Hey, good people, come join us for Money Moves. Okay, come join us. Just come join us, right? And I'm really going to start ramping up just in a few weeks now, because this month is almost over. More options calls, but right now we are studying and people are learning. Okay, so options for dummies, money moves, but I also have all of my crypto plays, and I share with you some of my stock portfolios, and I have a portfolio made for just money moves. Now, if you just want crypto, I have an entire class on the stock market at large and crypto, and that's Stock Up You. That's going to be the second link below. All right. I love you guys. Again, thank you for your prayers. All right. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.